In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at how we can manage Exchange Server by using Exchange Server commandlets. And to be precise, we're going to have a look at actually monitoring our Exchange organization. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to come in here and we're just going to test the replication health for our server. So we may have DAGs in place, we may have multiple databases are replicating to each other, and we want to ensure that all of this is running correctly. So we'll do that by running our test-replication health. And if we just scroll this up a bit, so what we can see is on here, EX1 database availability failed. That's not good. And also as well, failed. So database redundancy failed. Now, to explain why that failed is I don't have a DAG. So I am not replicating the database anyway. So that is why I'm seeing a failure. So actually, that's not an issue because I did document my system. I know exactly what I've got and I know that that is not a problem. So the next thing to do is to have a look at the service health for my Exchange server. So Exchange Server as a product has quite a few services that run in order to allow Exchange Server to work efficiently. So what we'll do here is we'll just have a look at the service health, and what we can see at this point here, if we have a look down, everything is set to true. So at this point here, this means all the required services are currently running. Then what we have is we have our Mappy Connectivity. So the purpose of Mappy Connectivity is to allow our users to connect to their mailboxes. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're going to test the Mappy Connectivity with test-Mappy Connectivity. Server we're going to connect to will be lonex1.adatum.com. Once we've done that, we're going to pipe that through. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at latency. And we're going to format the server list, and we're going to have a look at server, database, we're going to have a look at the result, and we're going to look at any latency that we have. So hopefully nothing's exceeding the latency that we require. So let's just check this out. So this will report back, and if we have a look here, everything is successful, so we don't have any latency issues within our Exchange organization. Users can connect through their mailbox, and users can connect through at high speed. So now what we'll do is we'll just come back here. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to have a look at the event log, and the event log we're interested in here is the application event log. That's the one that we're interested in with Exchange Server, because Exchange Server is an application. So let's just have a look at this point here. So we're going to do a get-event log. Log name will be application. Newest 10, so we're only interested in the newest 10 events within there. And we're doing that against computer lon-ex1. So as we can see, we've had a forced configuration update for Microsoft Exchange Server. And that's based off previous demos that I've been doing throughout the day. So at that point there, that's the end of this demonstration of just looking at some of the commandlets we can issue in order to monitor our Exchange organization. Thank you.